Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play against Gwen. In the early game, it's crucial to respect Gwen's damage output. Avoid long trades, especially at level 1, as her Q, Snip Snip, can deal substantial damage. Her passive also adds bonus magic damage to her attacks, making her surprisingly strong. Focus on short, bursty trades when her primary damage ability is on cooldown, and try to disengage quickly to avoid her sustained damage. Understanding Gwen's abilities is key to countering her. Her W, Hallowed Mist, is a powerful defensive tool, making her untargetable to enemies outside its zone for 5 seconds. This ability also grants her bonus armor and magic resistance. Her E, Skip and Slash, is a dash that empowers her next attack, providing extra range and damage. Finally, her ultimate, Needlework, fires 3 waves of needles, each applying her passive. In the mid-game and during teamfights, your strategy against Gwen shifts. The most important aspect is to force her out of her Hallowed Mist. If she's inside it, she's incredibly difficult to deal with. Try to engage on her when her W is on cooldown or when she's positioned poorly outside of it. Avoid grouping up too tightly, as her ultimate can hit multiple targets. Prioritize burst damage to take her down quickly before she can sustain through your attacks. When it comes to itemization, building magic resistance is crucial against Gwen. Items like Spirit Visage or Force of Nature can significantly reduce her damage. Additionally, items that apply grievous wounds will cut down her healing from her passive, making her less durable. For champion selection, consider those with strong crowd control to lock her down or long-range poke abilities to harass her from a safe distance, preventing her from engaging effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.